Yes, I'm videotaping it right now as y'all are on your way. It's so pretty. I can't wait for y'all to see it. Man, it's gorgeous. Yeah. No, it don't have a top. No, the top, huh? Oh. Oh yeah. Trimmed out on top, no top. We'll see y'all when you get here. Well, how far? Okay. Yeah. All right. Later. Oh my gosh. Almost here. Daily Driver Classic, even an entire collection, GetRevin.com. They want to buy it. Skip the dealers and low ball offers and get a real price tag. GetRevin.com, America's best car buyer. Yes. Washington Commanders linebacker and Super Bowl champion Bobby Wagner is the late minority owner of the WNBA Seattle Storm. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Oh, that's better. Look at that. Woo! Don't tell me I can't fix something. Never down and out.